some strong feelings about the judge and whether or not she was being as impartial as she might have been with the defense team. Any reaction that you're hearing in the courtroom about that?
Look, judges and lawyers always fight, and there's some really obnoxious lawyers, and there's some really obnoxious judges. I took her to task when she did something that I thought was dead wrong, and that's the defense case was not over, and so she starts grilling the defendant, instead of going to the lawyer, but grilling the defendant on whether or not he's going to testify or not, and they haven't even rested, and that's one of the most important decisions that a defendant and a lawyer make during the course of a trial. I thought she was way out of line. I thought she was nasty. I thought I know she was completely, to me, I thought that was horrible, that she did that. However, that was one day. It was not in front of the jury at all, and it didn't really reflect on the fairness of the trial. And in fact, if he does get convicted, it is not going to be an appealable error. It just showed that she was I think, out of line in one exchange in the courtroom. There are other times when she's testy with the lawyers. I don't think she likes one of the defense lawyers, but when the Court of Appeals looks at a case, they don't look whether or not the lawyers and the judges liked each other. They look at whether or not that the defendant got a fair trial. So she's done nothing that I can see, from dealing with the lawyers and the parties that would in any way affect reverse the conviction on appeal should it get convicted. There may be other rulings, but not on her dealings with them.
Right, I see some